Hello there, I'm Isaac Perks, and this is my presentation on my product for the F1 challenge. First of all, I like to identify the problem, and I start by asking the chatbot. And I did come up with a few different ideas, but the main one that seemed to be cropping up was the massive amount of data that they collect, and the various types of it. So they have to collect the other team's cars as well as their own cars, and displaying and handling all this data seemed to be a real problem. I did also ask other people that were doing this same challenge, and we discussed it as a group of what we thought was a good way to go down, and there were a lot of good ideas there. In conclusion, I think that there's a lot of data from the teams and other teams' cars that is the main problem, and they need a way to handle all of the data. And the two criteria I want to achieve from the challenge is getting a lot of data and then showing it visibly in a contained space so it's easy for the team to see what's happening. This is my solution that I came up with. It easily displays the date time, what event it is, which is the keys. It has both drivers in one place, they don't need to switch between apps. It also has the speed, what gear, and if DRS is engaged. And then it has throttle, brake, and RPM as a nice bar, so they can easily visually see what's happening with both cars. In the future, if I had more time, I'd like to add a lot more information, including the intervals, laps, and build up to do a calculation to find out the degradation of the tyres, but that can be quite hard, so I'd need more time to do it. I sadly missed the Saudi Grand Prix this weekend to test with real data, but I did manage to use some of the data from the race to test in my app and to make sure it all works. And then thanks for listening, and I hope you have a good week.